Usap-usapan na ngayon ang di umano allegedly pambubugbog ng aktor-politician na si Ervic Vihandre sa kanyang sariling kapatid na si Erwin Vihandre. Allegedly, inaakusahan ngayon ni Erwin si Ervic ng pambubugbog. Ibinahagi pa ni Erwin ang kanyang mga larawan, kung saan makikitang kaawa-awa ang sinapit niya. Makikitang halos mabasag na ang kanyang mukha dahil sa tindi ng pambubugbog sa kanya. Makikita pa sa mga larawan na kanyang ibinahagi na sumuka ito habang nasa loob ng ambulansya sa tindi ng pambubugbog sa kanya at isinugod na siya sa hospital. Walang caption na inilagay si Erwin sa kanyang post, subalit makikita ang isang screenshot ng conversation sa pagitan nila ni Ervic Vihandre, kung saan binati siya ni Ervic ng happy birthday, God bless you more. Subalit galit ang isinagot rito ni Erwin dahil sa di umano allegedly. Ito raw ang may kagagawan sa nangyari sa kanya. Sagot pa ni Erwin kay Ervic, "Tang ina, seryoso ka ba? More blessing? Baka di mo alam kung gaanong trauma ginawa mo sa pamilya ko, lalo na sa mga anak ko. Hanggang ngayon binabangungot mga bata sa kawalang hiyaan mo." Kaugnay nito, nagsalita na rin ang asawa ni Erwin Vihandre, na si Jay, at idinitalye ang di umano allegedly pambubugbog na ginawa ni Ervic sa kanyang asawa na si Erwin. Matinding trauma daw ang ginawa ni Ervic Vihandre sa kanyang mga anak. Pinili raw nilang manahimik at wag nang ituloy ang kaso laban kay Ervic Vihandre para hindi masira ang good politician na imahe nito, pero hindi raw nila kayang tanggapin na masaya pa raw ito habang ang kanilang mga anak ay natrauma ng matindi dahil sa pambubugbog nito sa kanyang asawa na si Erwin. Inilantad ni Jay Vihandre ang di umano allegedly pagpapanggap raw ni Ervic Vihandre sa publiko bilang isang mabuting politician, samantalang napakasama raw nito sa kanyang sariling kapatid at pamilya. Ayon pa sa kanyang mahabang post, "Trigger warning. I am reposting what my husband Erwin Vihandre posted about what happened to him on New Year's Eve in the Philippines. We kept quiet even though he never asked how Erwin was. He only said sorry when we were at the police station and Hall of Justice, asking Erwin to not press charges on him. Erwin gave him the favor and still protected his good image. After he was released from detention, my husband didn't hear anything from him, and now he's greeting him publicly as if nothing happened. He was showing off that he is happy and blessed when he gave a big-time trauma to our family, not just physically but emotionally and psychologically, especially to our kids. That is why we are making this public, as we want to put an end to his hypocrisy. Helping others for his good politician image when he's really mean and rude to his own family. When he threw multiple big punches on my husband's head, all to the head, it was unprovoked, and he started it while my husband's back was turned. All of our children were there, and they witnessed how he tried to end Erwin's life. Our children up to now are having nightmares and still scared. They wouldn't want to go back to Philippines anymore. He knows how to treat people right when he is in his politician uniform, to people with connections and gets advantage from them. But with his family and when you are worthless, you are nothing. He was mad and he let it all out to my husband because of his conflicts with his family. Respect is a two-way street. If you want to get it, you've got to give it. Respect is how to treat everyone, not just those you want to impress. I hope he gets our message to stop his hypocrisy and spares my family our sanity and peace of mind. No to violence, no to abuse, no to child abuse, no to harassment. Trigger warning." Sa comment section ng post niyang ito, maraming nagpaabot ng suporta at humiling na sana ay makulong at mapanagot raw si Ervic Vihandre sa karumaldumal maginawa nito sa sarili niyang kapatid. Say naman ng ilang netizens, nararapat lamang daw na inilantad ito ni Erwin at Jay Vihandre para malaman raw ng mga tao ang tunay na ugali ni Ervic bilang isa pa naman daw itong politiko. Ikinagulat ng mga netizens kung papaano daw ito nagawa ni Ervic Vihandre sa sarili niya mismong kapatid. Kaugnay nito, wala pang inilalabas na pahayag sa social media tungkol dito si Ervic Vihandre.
Magandang araw po mga minamahal kong San Juaneño. Ako po ito ang inyong lingkod, Konsehal Ervic Vihandre, na